A little-known feature in Tars bots is that you can create custom links for individual people or campaigns for tracking, and to get better metrics about where people are using your bot and who they are. For example, you might want to create one link for traffic coming from Facebook and Twitter to see where people are clicking on your bot more. This can be easily done by: first, you will need to deploy your bot using the Deploy Bot button in the top of the bot builder. Now you can click on the live link button next to it to open the bot in a new tab. By default URL, something looks like this. If you add a question mark at the end of this URL, you can create a tracking parameter that will be visible along with the data submission. For example, for a mail marketing campaign, you can simply add this parameter. Now, when a user interacts with any of these links, the parameters you added in the URL will be included in the user data submission in the Tars dashboard. Same can be done for Facebook, Twitter, or other channels. If you want to add multiple parameters, you can simply add an ampersand and then another parameter. For example, if you wanted to create a separate Twitter link for your personal and business account, you could add a parameter named account type using this. To use chatbots in your own organization, book a free chatbot consultation at hellotars.com/demo or click the link in the video description. Again, that's hellotars.com/demo.